Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Kaelan Jones, and I currently reside as a student through the master's program at Keiser University. To kind of give you a little bit of background to what I do, I currently serve as a private sector strength and conditioning coach, and I've worked with some of the top athletes in the world down to your day-to-day people. Based on the accolades that I received from Keiser, prior to me entering into the master's program, I actually received an undergraduate degree from them via sports and medicine fitness technology. Upon that, I was also serving as a student athlete through the wrestling program, so I have a pretty familiar experience with working with this staff of people. The biggest thing that I've realized since entering into my field now is learning that there's more to life to application. And with Keiser, what they've done is that they've created a concrete set of knowledge for us to go off of as students to really integrate aspects and other data analysis to really focus on driving results. So if I'm working with an athlete, I need to know exactly how to communicate with them, how to structurize program workouts, and ultimately getting them the goals where they need to be. And again, Keiser University really does a good job of that. Staff members like Dr. Curtis, Dr. Oliver, Dr. Diaz, John Crimmins, and everybody else that's within the exercise science department, they do a really great job of maximizing the educational aspect of exercise science. I would say overall that my experience with Keiser is a 10 out of 10. I advocate for anybody and everybody that's looking to get into the sports performance world, really get hands-on with the exercise science program, Keiser University.